Hello, Mom and Sir. Good day. I'm Marjorie Pahinag from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I'm 39 years old, married. I have one son. His age 1 year old and 3 months. And I have 6 siblings. I'm working as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 10 years. My first employers, I take care elderly for 2 years, and my second employers, I take care a kid for 8 years and do household chores such as cleaning, washing, cooking, marketing, and ironing. Mom and Sir, if you hire me, I promise I will do my best of my duty and I follow all your rules. Thank you. God bless.